Hi, I am Princess Ularte and I'm here to show my final project at CPE 401 Computer Programming entitled TransparenCE with the CE Civil Engineer Budget and Material Stock Monitoring Sheet. TransparenCE Budget and Material Stock Monitoring Sheet is a project formulated to create a space where civil engineers and clients can monitor the budget and material stock simultaneously. The project can records the item's name, price, quantity, and purchase date. The main goal of this project is for the project that engineers and politicians are assigned to, especially in the government, to make the details of the project transparent, especially its financial state. Since one of the problems we are facing right now is that we can really oversee that some of the projects of the government are over budget. According to my observation and research, some of the projects have lots of budget but didn't aim the goal of the project. Some of the budgets were corrupted by the politicians and as well as the engineers. This project may be helpful to the engineers and clients as should to build a healthy client-customer relationship. However, even though the main goal of this project is the government, it doesn't make aside the internal and private project that civil engineers can do. This project aims to create a space that promotes transparency where civil engineers and clients can monitor the budget and material stock simultaneously. Specifically, it aims to aim the following objective. First, make government project transparent to be able to show that the tax given by the people is on the right path and not in the pocket of the politicians and engineers, and build the trust of the people in the government. Second, to build the trust of the client that engineers hold through transparency of the given budget and material stock. Third, to make it more convenient for the client and engineer if there is enough budget and material stock available. Lastly, to make it more convenient to adjust everything in between if the budget of the project is limited. That is all for the details of my project. Now I will present you the overview of my project. Getting here to my screen, you can see the code of the project through lot of research and application of the lesson of what Miss Camille Sosa taught us. I've created this project. So let's start first. We will run the project. The interface will ask if how much is the total budget. It will also can serve as your pin code since you should always encode the right total budget to make the program calculate the budget balance proficiently. Let's encode 10,000. Through entering, the program will print and define if this project will be small, medium, or big. Here it goes. It says the project will be small. Let's try Let's try 120,000. It says here the project will be medium, so the elif function works. So lastly, we will try to input 2 million budget. It says the project will be big, so we can start to save our record. We can say we bought nails with 500 pesos. We can click if we purchase it in current date, and we can say that it is 10 kilos of nails. We can hit the save record. So here we goes, the nail was recorded. As you can see, there is a serial number in every item, so you can really monitor if there is someone deleted an item since the serial number didn't change once entered. Let's try to delete an entry if the serial number will adjust. So here we go. The client can rely to the system if there is something gone to the sheet. To be able to remove the content in entries, we can hit the clear entry. As you can also see, you can use the scroll bar to view the entire list. After that, for example, 2 kilograms of nails was used already. We can click to the nails and edit the material quantity to monitor the stock, and we can hit update to be able to not change its position so we can monitor the items really quickly. We can see here if we are running out of stock. After that, we can view our total expenses. Here in total balance, it will show the total expenses and balance remaining of the project. And that's all of my interface. We can hit the exit if we are done to the monitoring sheet. And that is all for my final project. Hope I supply all the details to make you interested to my project. Again, this is Princess Eileen Ularte, the proponent of transparency with a CE Civil Engineer Budget and Material Stock Monitoring Sheet.